How to remove profile picture from Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can remove profile picture from Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, you will get to your home page. Now from here, you have to navigate to your profile page. For that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, now under your profile picture, there is a button that says Edit Profile. Tap on it. Now once you land on Edit Profile page, tap on the Edit Picture or Avatar option on the interface below your profile picture. A drop-down box will pop up in your interface that says New Profile Picture or Remove Current Picture. Now to remove the profile picture, tap on the second option that says Remove Current Picture and then confirm it by tapping on Remove. And with that, now your profile picture from Instagram is removed. So that's how you can do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial.